Hello everybody, welcome to Filming Made Easy. I know my camera is all weird. Let's see. There you go, much better. Okay, cool. Sorry about the mess. I'm just trying to get this out because I gotta run around and do some things. Okay, so right today, what we're gonna be talking about tripod, right? This is my. I know this. You might not be working with this specific tripod, but most tripods are all the same. So if you actually want to just take a second and look at your tripod and just start to think about, okay, how do I open my legs? Most times the legs open up with a little flap right here. You open it and the legs pull out. Some tripods have little spikes and they have padding. This one has a padding, luckily, but if you look at it, most times it's a screw and you can screw it out so you can get a little bit more, levelness, especially if your floor is not level. And sometimes I know that there's a little spike. If there's a spike and you have wooden floor like I do, obviously you don't want to use it. You can damage your floor really easily. Let's try not to do that. So in this specific tripod, and you'll see a couple other ones, they have little gear shafts here. So when I open it up, you see that it stops it. Now, if I wanted to have this tripod open up even wider, I could pull this out and then pull it in and then lock it in place. And now it opens it up so that it is a little wider. Here's the normal length of the leg. Here's a wider part of the leg. The reason we would do this is because we want to have the tripod go a little bit lower on the ground if possible. However, when you go out this far, you have to realize that, right, you do have, and you can do it all three, you do have this pole in the middle that acts as an extended arm that's only going to allow you to get so far. Like if I go to the one more level even further out, you'll see that, right, even though this now is lower than this, when I lay this on the ground, this is gonna get in the way and you're gonna have to pick it up. So when you do that, obviously we have to adjust the stick here. So this tripod specifically, the Benro, you can just unscrew this here, and then the head, the extended arm actually, pops out. That's this tripod. Most tripods do have this little extended arm, so that way you can go a little bit higher than you necessarily need to. Other things to realize on tripods, right? You'll see that this tripod has what we call a swivel head, so that this way I unscrew it, and then I can move it around, and I can control the level. There is a little level right there. Now, ideally, when you were shooting stuff and you want to have your stuff perfectly level, you want to make sure that little dot, that little bubble dot, can we see it? Yeah, the little bubble dot is perfectly level inside, is perfectly inside of the inner circle of that level. That makes it perfectly level, unless you want to like make it seem like it's sideways or whatever have you. Your choice. Other things for the tripod: when you want to get the plate off of the actual tripod head, right, there's always a little knob that you can loosen so that the plate slides. And you notice that when the plate slides, it stops itself. When it stops itself, what's happening is it has a safety lock. Usually the safety lock, depending on the color of your tripod, this is blue, so the safety lock's blue. Sometimes it's orange, sometimes it's black. It all depends and varies. When you press this button, it now can come out. When looking at your tripod plate, always look for the arrows. The arrows tell you which way your lens ideally needs to go. Sometimes it says lens, and that's the case. Especially when the arrow, you'll see that when I'm putting the plate into the head, that I have an arrow here, arrow to arrow, and it slides in, and then once it's in place, I lock it. Now, if you notice that for some reason your your camera is on top of here, and you can't get this to move because the camera is blocking it. Sorry, I can't grab. I gotta run and grab my camera. But it's blocking it. What you can do is you can actually. There's a little lever in here that if you pull this out and you move it, you then can tighten it and loosen it more. So that's this way. If anything's blocking it from like turning, you're good to go. On this tripod, my pan head, which means that the camera is going from left to right, is this little knob, and then my tilt head is this knob, and going up and down. Some this one doesn't have it, but some of them have a pressure gauge on the side. You just got to look at it. Most times there are words on the side here, and it tells you what each knob does. Let me see what else. Okay, teeth. So you'll see that most times when you pull the camera out of the bag, the arm to assist is usually down here. What you need to do is you need to unscrew it, and you pick up the arm. You make sure not to grind the teeth, and then teeth to teeth. You'll see right there, teeth to teeth. Oh, let me lock this. My head got moved. Teeth to teeth, and then you lock it in place. You never want to have the teeth jagged against each other. You want to have them interlock. Yeah, I'll show you right now. There you go. Sorry. So see the interlock? Interlock. If you have them doing this, that's a no-no. Don't do it. See how the teeth are on the teeth? It's grinding. We don't want to grind. No one wants to ever grind. It's like you chip a tooth. You chip some gears in the camera. So don't do it. What's cool about this is for those people that are lefties, you can switch. I'm a little bit of a lefty sometimes. So you see I have my arm on the left side, whereas you can also have it on the right side if you just unscrew it and put it on the right side. And for some tripods, you can see that, like this one's kind of cool. It has a north, south, east, west, but that's when you're trying to do like sunset stuff and moon stuff and whatnot. So I hope this helps. Oh, one thing I almost forgot. When opening up your tripod, I've seen it so many times. Do not open the top lever first, because then you put it down and you're laying it there and you're like, I don't see the other lever. Sometimes these levers can get lost. So make sure you open it from the bottom lever first, and then you go out. And then you go in. For those people that don't have the tripod that has the swivel head on it to level it, you're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Most times there is a level on the thing, and you're gonna have to, make it smaller or bigger to make the level correct for the camera. Now, make sure your stuff's leveled. I hope this helps. Yeah. Sorry, I can't give you a real demonstration. This camera is only set, but so far, if I didn't have to run, I would show you more stuff. Maybe later tonight after my event, I will record some stuff so that you guys can see better. But that's opening up a tripod.